Hi guys, this one question I've got from the students that should I join this college or not? I've converted to this college. So first of all, congratulations, whichever college you've converted. Should I join this or not? How is the faculty? How is this? How is that? Guys, faculty is same everywhere. There are some good teachers, there are some very boring teachers. Your books are same, almost same everywhere. Everything is same, every infrastructure is same. Every college have a AC. Some of the AC make noise, like my AC is making a lot of noise, need to be changed. And some ACs are new. Main thing is the placement. Yeah, the difference between IIM Ahmedabad and let's say some other college which have a same red brick building. Any new college which have a red brick, any new college, new matlab ekdam latest, Champu college which have a red brick building, there must be many. The only difference, faculty might be same. See, the new college which is a red brick college might have got faculty from IIMs, SP Jain or maybe abroad because they are building up their brand. They have the cash flow. Fine. They can replicate faculty. They can replicate, in fact, make a better infrastructure. Yes, they can do that. What they can't do is give that kind of an average salary. So don't look at the faculty, don't look at the placements, or don't look at the infrastructure, don't look at anything else. Main thing you have to look is the average salary. Whenever you go to a restaurant, yes, experience does matter, all this things matter, but food quality is what will take you aage. If the food is not good, the restaurant may or may not survive, even though they might have a very good infrastructure, very good interiors. Same way here as well. The faculty are all secondary. Faculty, crowd, this and that is all secondary. Main thing is getting the average salary. Fine. So look at the average salary. Now, student called me and saying, sir, I got through Dalmia. Dalmia says average salary around 8. Okay, superb. Now, if I'm assuming average is 8, I don't know the average salary. If the average is 8, if you are okay with that salary, after 2 years, you're getting 8 lakh a package, go for it. If you're not happy with that package, drop it. You decide that. ठीक है, बाकी faculty ये है, वो है, मेरा दोस्त join कर रहा है, doesn't make a difference. How far the college from my home, trust me, doesn't make a difference. So join the college if look at the average salary. If you're happy with the salary, if 2 years down the line, if you're okay to earn a salary of 8, 9, 10 lakhs, go for it. See, it all depends on today's situation as well. Today I'm earning this much, I want to earn this much, let's fill the gap. Okay, so after MBA, so then decide the college. See, it's very easy to say I'm going to repeat, but it's not easy to do. But on the same hand, it's very easy to join the college, but it's very difficult to survive in the long run with that brand name. So don't go for the brand name, look at the average salary कितना है. आपको बोलते नहीं MBA का डिग्री लॉन्ग रन में तब कमाएगा ना. This is what I normally hear from students. My college have average salary of 10 lakh. Give me 3 years ka time, I will be earning 20 lakh at par with the IIM guy. Good, very good, proud of you. But will IIM guy will be at 20 only? If you are expecting your salary to become double, in 3 years ka time you are making it double, 20 lakh wala will be reaching 40 lakh. Yes, IIM ka koi champu hoga, with that guy you can beat. Okay. Now what you're doing is you're comparing a good from average college with a champu from IIM Ahmedabad. That's a bad example, that's a bad comparison. That is just for a personal ego satisfaction, you can do that. Most welcome, you can, people do that, trust me. आजकल ना वो इंस्टा पे नया ट्रेंड चल रहा है. People are posting the Google map for their college. I once saw IIM of this particular place. साला इधर IIM कब से आ गया? I can't name the place. IIM of this place. इधर IIM कब खुला? Then एक चंपू कॉलेज का नाम. हमने अपने आप को IIM बोलते हैं. ठीक है. हम IIM नहीं जा पाए तो क्या हुआ? IIM हमारे यहाँ गए. हमने अपने कॉलेज का नाम ही चेंज करके IIM कर दिया. तुम पढ़ते रहो. Alright. So look at the average salary and then decide to join the college or not. All the best.